back to where we were. So our equations for the short run, we have, if we're holding L and K fixed, so the short run, this equation will become delta W minus delta R. This equals delta V. And our other equation is delta TFP equals SL delta W plus SK delta R. Well, this would imply delta R equals delta W minus delta V. Okay? So then delta TFP would be equal to SL delta W plus SK delta W minus delta V. Okay? You guys did that right. Which implies delta TFP equals delta W minus SK delta V, which implies delta W equals delta TFP plus SK delta V. And of course, the way we've defined delta V is biased in favor of labor. So if the technological progress is biased in favor of labor, that's going to be a further force increasing the real wage in the short run. Right? Because TFP is kind of raising all factor prices on average, and the direction of bias is favoring labor relative to capital, so that'll actually cause the short run effect of the wage rate to be greater than it would be if the technological progress was factored in. Okay. Now, if we go through a period where the technological bias is actually the other way around, that is where technological bias is biased against labor, then that will be a force putting a drag on the increase in the real wage rate. Because for a given level of TFP growth, the bias is going to be favoring capital relative to labor.